All right, students, I'm going to show you how to do substitution and elimination. All right, so here we go. Here's the problem I've got. Y equals 3 plus x and 2 minus 4y equals negative 16. So to solve this by substitution, I'm going to say that y equals to this yellow stuff, 3 plus x. Okay, and what I'm going to do is where I see y in this equation, I'm going to replace y with 3 plus x. So here I have the second equation that you saw, 2x minus 4y equals negative 16. I just replaced the y with 3 plus x. Okay, so now I have to do distributive property. And so if I do distributive property with the negative 4, then I end up with negative 12 and negative 4x. Okay, now I can combine the like terms. So negative 4x and 2x is going to give me negative 2x. And if I add 12 on both sides, then I end up with negative 16 plus 12 is going to give me negative 4. And then the final step, we divide both sides by negative 2, and we get x equals 2. Now I'm going to take this 2 and substitute it into this original equation. Okay, so we have y equals 3 plus 2, so then y is going to be 5. So my solution is going to be 2, 5. All right, let's do an example with elimination. So for elimination, here's an example. 2x minus 3y equals 4. 3x plus 2y equals 19. Okay, so in order to eliminate this, let's eliminate the y. So if I'm going to eliminate the y, I need to multiply this top row times 2, and I have to multiply this bottom row times 3. And if I do that, then I end up with 2 times 2x is going to give me 4x. 2 times negative 3y is going to give me negative 6y. 2 times 4 is going to give me 8. And the bottom equation, if I multiply it by 3, I end up 3 times 3x is going to give me 9x. 3 times 2y is going to give me 6y. And 3 times 19 is going to give me 57. Now, the reason I did that is so I can eliminate the y, because negative 6y plus 6y, if I add these columns together, negative 6y plus 6y, that's going to cancel out. 4x plus 9x gives me 13x. 8 plus 57 gives me 65. And then if I divide both sides by 13, I end up with x equals 5. Okay, so now that I know x equals 5, I can take one of the original equations, and let's take the top equation, and if I replace x with 5, then I'm going to get 10 minus 3y equals 4. If I subtract 10 on both sides, I get negative 3y equals negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 3, and we get y equals 2. And there's my solution, 5, 2. All right, hope this review was good, and have fun with your Wednesday.